Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Today, I'm going to introduce to you a market profile, day types, and my indicator, market memory POC. You might have noticed the market may move up, move down, go sideways, but it keeps coming back to certain prices again and again. That is not magic, that is memory. Just like we remember places where something important happened in our life, the market remembers prices where maximum business happened. This is the core idea of the market profile. So, what is market profile? In simple explanation is market profile is not an indicator, it is a way of understanding market behavior. Think of the market like a shopping mall. Some floors are crowded, people like to stay there, some floors are empty. People just pass through. In the market, crowded places is equal to crowded price is equal to value, empty price is equal to rejection. The point of control is the most crowded floor where buyers and sellers agreed the most. That price becomes very important. That price gets remembered. And in this market profile, you can also make out day types. That is very important in intraday trading. Why day types matter in intraday trading is people do mistake. Most of the intraday traders make mistakes. They trade every day in the same way. You cannot trade every day in the same way because there will be different type of days. Normal day, balanced day, nothing will happen. But the market doesn't behave the same every day. Some days market wants to trend. Some days market wants to rotate. Some days market just want to confuse trader. These are called day types. Just like some days we run fast, some days we walk, some days we rest. If you don't identify the day type early, you will enter at the wrong place. Hold for the wrong target and exit with confusion. Where market profile helps the most is market profile tells us, is today a trending day or a balancing day? Is price accepting value or rejecting value? Should I trade breakouts or rotations? And the heart of this understanding is POC. The core truth, price remembers value. That you must remember. Here is a very important line. Remember this, price may forget direction, but it never forgets value. That's why price reacts near POC, price pauses near POC, price reverses or accelerates from POC. This is called market memory. Why I created market memory POC indicator? Most because there will be so many signals, too many lines, too much of noise. But I wanted something clean, logical, and professional, along with my rolling pivot reversal magic and my episodic pivot. I built market memory POC, an indicator that marks where the market remembered value and keeps it visible even when price moves away. It helps you understand context before entry, avoid random trades, trade in harmony with market behavior. So, you have to use this in intraday trading. Use market memory POC at market open to understand bias. You can use it during pullbacks to find high probability entries near important levels to avoid false breakouts. This is not a signal tool. This is a decision making tool. It helps you to make confident decision make. making for your intraday trading. So in this video, I will show you how market profile and day types and market memory work together, and how my market memory POC indicator helps you trade the market the way professionals read it. So this is the indicator I have applied on the chart. This green color plus marks are weekly memory. Let me label it. Why it is not working? Yeah. Let me go back. Something has happened. Ah, yes. This is weekly POC. Weekly POC, that is balance point from here. And also you can see red and yellow dots over here. If I zoom it, you can see red and yellow dots, that is value area low as well as the daily POC. Value area, red dots are value area low, VAL, and yellow dots are daily POC. You can see all are aligned together in this area, and this is value area. In this candle itself you can make out, you can take decision. It's an hourly chart, and this is value area high. This plots you value area high. And you can see the point of value area is increasing on the next candles. That means price is moving away. You can take the trade with confidence. With confidence, these are the, see, mark price was in this confined area. Think of it as a one floor. The price, this is the balance area from where market moved away. This is a trendy day. Trendy day. You can see over there. On 30th, it moved away. On 31st, the day type was, it was rotating. It didn't go anywhere. You can see the price was confined in this area. This is value area low, and price was confined value area high. It's halted. It halted, and the point of control POC was formed at the top near, and while closing the balance area POC. What the next day you can see on 2nd the market popped above this area, indicating that market is moving a trendy day. You can expect a trendy day. That's what happened in the market. The market moved from 26,150 to 26,340. So, like this, you will get to help. And also, apart from that, you are seeing my episodic pivot. Episodic pivot indicator tells you the volume coming out. You can see every area you are getting a big volume triggering, indicating the presence of the big money. Big money. Along with that, if you apply rolling pivot, I am applying rolling pivot, reversal magic, my indicator, the combination of three, everything. See, you are getting confidence to enter into this area by considering the weekly POC and daily POC, and the value area price is coming out, and you can see over here, let me remove this drawing. The price is climbing above the pivot, my rolling pivot. It is turning into green. It was red because the trend was down. Trend flipped, Gan Hilo flipped to magenta to blue color. This is the signal. And You are entering with confidence, no dilemma. You know that this is the crowded area where most of the trades have been accepted and traded. So that's why when the price came down to this level, it instantly reacted and price got accepted, and you can see the price behavior on this candle. Price behavior on this candle, big wide bar coming out of this. Apart from that, you are getting confidence with the price moving above the balance area pivot. And you can see the price on the same day, 31st, price moved above the R1 also. R1, everything turning green. And next day, 31st, episodic pivot is triggering the volume and you are continuing the trade. It was a trendy day. On 31st, the trend started on 30th itself. 30th itself, and on 31st, while closing here on 1st, this is 1st January. 1st January, the market stayed here, started rotating. This is the day type. This was a trendy day type and it is a balanced day. So balanced day are the power points. Actually, market halts and both there will be transaction between the sellers and retailers. That is a congestion area where most of the business has taken place over here, and you can see with my indicator the balance point POC is rising. POC is rising, and this is the value area high, value area low. And when the price is rising, you can mark this confined area and you can clearly know where are the most business has been taken place. That was around 26,168. 26,168, the most of that was a comfortable price zone, the most of the trades have taken place. When the price popped up above this, it is a confirmation that price has been accepted and big money trigger with the episodic pivot indicator and also my rolling pivot and the trend indicator. Nothing has happened. Trend is intact and everything is going up. And it is the consolidation which has taken place above the rolling pivot. Remember this, that rolling pivot and POC and the episodic pivot, all the three together, it is a confirmation, it is an indication of another trending day because the price has moved away from the value area high. Expansion, you can see over here, it is rotation to build, probable next trendy day. That's how my indicator, I created this indicator, market memory, POC, price remembers value. Why? Why this indicator is because enabling, this is the indicator which is available on the trading view session market profile. But this indicator is not at all accessible to even for the trading view subscription. Only for the premium subscription members it is available. For the premium subscription, you need to pay more than 45 to 50,000 if there is no discount for annual subscription. And this is a charting tool which is available on gocharting.com. There also you need to pay 1,800 to 2,000 rupees per month to access this data on live market. If you cannot get this data on the live market, it is difficult. You can see so clearly point of control on the previous day to the present day on the balance day. You can see exactly matching. That's why I coded this indicator for the convenience of all the retail traders who cannot access the premium account, premium trading subscription. They can use this indicator. You can see over here so clearly the point of control is moving here, and you can see the point of control. Let me hide this indicator which is available. If the premium subscription traders can do that, see, this indicator is not accessible to all the people trading traders, because it is available for the elite traders. If you use this, you can trade better. You know that it is a market memory. So I created this indicator which locates the point of control and the market memory. You can trade very, very nicely, better way with confidence, which is accessible for only elite traders. Yes. So when data is not available for the common public retail traders, when it is made available, this is an added, not only added strength, but it is a confidence in your trade. You can trade better. You can trade better when it comes back to the same level. When the price came back to this level, this was the memory, market memory, the price reacted from this area. You can see weekly POC and daily POC. And if you go back to the history, you are getting weekly POC here. And every time when the market came to that level, there was an action you can see over in the market. Like that, you can trade along with my episodic pivot, volume coming in, and the price balancing, and with the market memory, market profile, you can trade. I've already made a video on the market POC. To understand, you can go back to the POC market profile video and you can understand better about the market profile. Actually, this is a very advanced trading technique, charting tool, which was created long back in the 1982 itself, Steidl Mayer. Considering price is also important. Only if you look at the price and volume, it is not sufficient. Time is also important. At what time, what the price, what did the price do? And from that price, how did the price move? That is very, very important. Yes, traders. So I've, I've brought all the indicators which are useful for the traders. Useful for the traders which are directly related to the price. No RSI, no MACD, nothing. With these three indicators, it is suffice to trade confidently and with conviction. Your edge will build up, and you can trade better and you will be profitable. Already, my traders who have bought this rolling pivot and episodic pivot, they are profitable if they add this indicator on their portfolio. It will be an added strength for them. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off.